Hello everyone. Now let's check one Western Digital desktop hard drive data recovery steps. And we can check the PCB number first. And this one is very important for Western Digital hard drive from repair and data recovery. The PCB number is 2060 771945 and 002. Okay. Let's enter the DFOWD from repair software. Auto get detail. We can see it's 13 TB desktop hard drive. Click OK. Now we can check all the firmware modules available for backup. So for all the pensioned hard drives, the very first step is to back up the firmware modules first. So right now we are reading the original ROM, and then we need to read its modules. Now we can see in Snug window we are reading the log, all the firmware modules. So this is Snug window. We can check which modules are read successfully and which failed. After we read all the firmware modules, and we can try to use the disable 411 or disable module 2. Well, we can check first if this module have the 411 first. So we can use this one, disable this one, so we can back up, make sure all the firmware operations are secured. We can try to disable module 411 and firmware restart. After this one, we can re-enter the software, and then we can back up the firmware modules. Also, we can test all the firmware modules and find out which modules are corrupted. Green means the modules are good. So we are testing and find out which firmware modules are damaged. And these modules are not so important here, especially for this kind of old Western Digital hard drive families. So we can ignore these errors. If users wish to fix them, we can see they just have the checksum error. So if users wish to fix this, users can select all, generate module checksum, or check the modules and write it to fix the checksum error. For this drive, we can ignore these non-important modules. After this one, we can try to use the common repair slow fix to fix the common issue, common snow issue for this Western Digital hard drive. And sometimes we can repair the weakheads by this function for new SMR, Western Digital SMR drives. Unlock smartware also without password. So these are the very common cases and common functions to use to fix the Western Digital desktop hard drives. After we fix the firmware corruption and we go to ROM operations, enable 411. Well, let's check slow fix first. Is lock window. Okay. The repair completes, and then we can go to the original ROM, enable 411, firmware restart. And let's check the hex. We can see this is a partition mark. That means the lost partitions are available for data recovery. That means we can go to the SATA1 DFO DDP data recovery software. We can open this data recovery software. Okay, we can open two different softwares. This DFLWD is for firmware repair, and this DFLDDP is for data recovery. And we can set up one new project, file extraction, and here are some lost partitions, and we can easily open the partitions and select the folders we need to recover, and then right click to save file or recover selected files. So it's very easy to recover this model. We can see the model number is WD30PURX. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.